Hello everyone. Today I will show you a best method on how to withdraw Pi to Bitget exchange easily in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch until the end to ensure you receive all essential steps. Step 1. Verify your identity. First of all, verify your identity. This helps prevent fraud and keeps your transactions safe. Have your ID, like a passport or driver's license, ready for the KYC process. Step 2. Choose your platform. Next, pick a secure platform. Bitget Exchange is a popular choice for Pi coin withdrawals. If you don't have an account, sign up and enable multi-factor authentication for extra security. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Now open your Pi app and go to your wallet. Tap on the transfer button and choose how much Pi you want to withdraw, considering any fees. Step 4. Execute the withdrawal. Once you've set everything, go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. Double check your details, accuracy is key. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Be patient. Platforms like Bitget may need a few confirmations before your funds are fully processed. Step 6. Monitor your finances. Last but not least, keep an eye on your balance and transaction history. It's the best way to spot issues early and protect your funds. And that's it, a simple, safe guide to withdrawing Pi coin.